Elon Musk never fails to inspire us. He's a visionary who believes in sustainability, green energy, and eventually becoming an interplanetary species. The man is doing everything in his power to make this world a better place. Previously, as we all know, he introduced Tesla Motors, a revolutionary smart electric car that runs on batteries, saves fuel costs, and is smart enough to drive on its own. He founded SpaceX, a company that came into existence with the purpose of creating a self-sustaining city on Mars and eventually making humans an interplanetary species. The list of Elon Musk's innovative companies is quite long, and each company deserves its own appreciation through separate videos. Don't worry, we'll get that done for you too. But today, we're talking about Tesla Tiny House. Yes, Tesla has just launched a brand new product, the first tiny house worth $15,000. Musk always comes up with terrific, cost-saving, energy-efficient, and reliable ideas. While he was on Joe Rogan podcast, he said there is no shortage of ideas in his mind. And here we are, a new innovative product that will pack tons of benefits for both the users and the environment. Elon Musk's channel live posted a video of the new sustainable living project. The first tiny house was just unveiled in California. Let's watch what's inside a Tesla home worth $15,000. The tiny house is more like a studio suitable for 1 or 2 persons living. It contains a living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. The living room is of standard size, spacious enough to accommodate a couch and TV. It already comes with a comfortable sofa, but you can get your own if you want. You'll also get an internet connection to connect with the world outside. A cute, tiny, little kitchen is enough for 2 people. It is equipped with a cooktop, an oven, a full-size refrigerator, a dishwashing sink, and the primary utensils you need in the kitchen. There are cupboards in the kitchen that can be used for storage, and it doesn't end here. Tesla has completed all your needs. For dining, it has a foldable countertop with 2 seats, so you can enjoy your dinner. The bedroom is of standard size, comes with a wardrobe and 2 side tables, and a queen-size bed. The bedroom is also equipped with an air conditioner. The bathroom is spacious enough to equip a commode, vanity, and wall racks. Besides, it has a washing and drying unit as well. For water supply, you'll get a private well. Lastly, the house's roof is equipped with a Tesla solar panel. How is it built? The house is constructed in the factory. It is all factory built, from a laminated steel base to the durable concrete roof. Tesla has done years of research to establish a stable home like this that lasts for a lifetime without much maintenance. The walls are also made of laminated steel panels that are stronger than those in our traditional houses. On the other hand, the roof has magnesium oxide to withstand snow, mildew, rain, or heat. Once built, the house is folded and shipped to the customer, who has to put it together on his land. Affordability of the house. 35% of the American population does not own a property or house. Owning a home in the U.S. is a dream for everyone who is living in an apartment or a rented house. It's really hectic to pay a 30-year mortgage to call a house your own. But how about owning a house without taking loans or paying a mortgage for years? Amazing! The idea of a house that costs less than your car is incredible. Viewing the aspects Tesla provides in this tiny house, it is a really affordable and profitable investment. You don't need extra money to buy the furniture, additional appliances, or even a solar panel, as it is already equipped with them. With just $15,000 in your hands, you get a house of your own with all the luxuries. Before moving forward, please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel, accompanied by climate change. Besides costing several million, our traditional houses still need some maintenance due to damage caused by climate changes. Whichever area of the country you're living in comes across some sort of harsh climate. Some areas face heavy snowfalls, while others have the scorching sun hitting their ceiling. Tesla has made this tiny house, keeping climate changes in mind. It can withstand hurricanes, rains, heat, mildew, and snowfalls. They use heavy-duty laminated steel panels that contain magnesium oxide to save the outside walls and roof. Unlike our traditional homes, they don't use sheetrock, so in case of heavy rainfall or flood, you don't have to worry about the damage to your home. Tesla homes are travel-friendly. A quick reminder, before we further continue our discussion and talk about how these houses are travel-friendly, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Tesla Home is a one-time investment for wherever you go. If you like traveling, you'll be the happiest after buying this house, as you don't have to worry about booking an Airbnb for a night's stay. You can take the foldable house with you and enjoy the comfort of your home wherever you go. You can make your own design, You might be thinking that the tiny house is all good, but it's just fixed, that here is the bedroom and the bathroom vanity is here, and you want something else. It's totally possible. Although there is not much more to fix in a tiny home, you can design it yourself. You can tell the company about your needs and get a home of your taste. Fast construction. Besides being extra affordable, the best part about this home is that you don't have to wait 6 months or a year to complete your home construction. You'll get your tiny home delivered in barely a month's timeline. You just have to spend a few hours on site to build a house of your own. Moreover, this concept has another advantage for the environment. No more waste material we get when building traditional homes on site. As the houses are built in the factory, the waste is reused to make another house. And on-site assembling results in zero waste products that could harm aquatic life or pollute the environment. Energy efficiency. Tesla homes come with a solar system. It is equipped with 6 Tesla solar panels on the roof and a lithium-ion battery to store the energy for later use. All the appliances you use in the tiny house will run on solar power. It not only saves energy, but the cost of paying heavy amounts of utility bills every month. Shipping and delivery. The home is folded into a compact size, so it can be shipped to the customers. Imagine a 15 feet house folding into 8 feet to carefully ship. The idea of folding is also to avoid hefty shipping fees for the customer's convenience. You know Musk is a mind of minds. He keeps everything in mind while designing a project. Unfolding the house. Once your tiny little house is delivered, it can be unfolded in a matter of hours. Doesn't it sound amazing to build your house in just hours? A nicely compacted house turns into a pretty spacious home. You just have to plug in the appliances, and you're good to go. Or should I say, good to stay. Home ownership is no longer a tough row to hoe. Musk has made it a piece of cake for us. Tesla tiny homes are a pretty good investment for yourself and the environment. Would you be interested in buying one of these homes? Do you think this will turn out to be a successful project? Let us know down in the comments section. We would love to read your views. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Also, let us know which topic you would like us to cover in the upcoming videos. We will come back soon with another exciting video. Until then, take good care of yourself.